Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to find DNS server on Windows 11 PC. Due to some reason, such as setting up a new network on your computer, you might need to know your DNS server. Knowing the DNS server address is quite easy. Using the built-in settings app, you can find the IPv6 and IPv4 DNS servers. How to find DNS server on Windows 11 PC. To view the DNS server on Windows 11, first, press Windows +I keys to open Windows settings. Then, select Network and Internet Settings from the left sidebar. Next, click on the Wi-Fi or Ethernet properties. That's it. On the next page, you will see the numbers under IPv6 DNS servers and IPv4 DNS servers. Goodbye. See you in the next video.